Alright, this is a 2001 F250, and since we bought it, it's had this issue with the door not completely closing. And I don't know if you can see on camera, but the door doesn't want to completely close. And I believe the reason for this is the door striker is supposed to have like a rubber coating. Let's see. But it's completely worn out, and whenever you close the door, it just rattles. It doesn't even completely close like that, and it's not even completely closing. It's like when you don't completely close the door, and you can tell because it rattles. This will just always do it, and during the day you can actually see sunlight through that hole. It's pretty bad. So I looked it up on YouTube, and I found a solution. And the solution is to like customize this whatever door hinge. And that's what I did. This is just tacked together right now, but this is from the other side. I took it off, and it basically made this portion right here shorter. If you can see that, quite a bit, and that solved the solution, or solved the problem. I'll show you. Let me just switch them around. FY, be careful on these bolts. They're extremely easy to strip, and nearly stripped this one out. Really easy to strip them. What I did to bring them in and out easier, because depending how worn out yours is, you're either going to need a shorter or not as short as I had to do it. But what I did is I just took a wire wheel and wire wheeled the paint off the threads, makes it go in and out easier. A little tip, I guess. Got the modified one on. Just gonna tighten this, if it will. Wrong bolt. Hold on. Of course, it's giving me a hard time. This in the bottom. Don't recommend a screw gun, because these are easily strippable, but I'm being gentle. Okay, that's on, and this is where it used to be. This part right here used to be right here, so it's about an inch, I'd say. You have to, it's pretty tedious. You have to, what I did was I grinded the back side. Here, I'll show you. I grinded this, the grinding stone, flat, and I cut this right here with a sawzall, whatever. Just cut that there and grounded this off, and then once you have that cut, you can hit it out. It leaves you with that, and that just slides through, and you can determine how far you want it. So let's test it out. I'm just gonna let go of the door like you normally would on a normal car. That was a fail. Let me give it a little more. And as you can see, I would say closes way better than before. It's probably not perfect. This is the only Ford I've been in like this one, but no more rattling. going down a bumpy road, this door would rattle like stupid. Closes good enough for me. It's gonna make it a lot better if you ask me. I'm just gonna do that to the other one and call it a night.